Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's his next move? Let's find out in the chart, shall we? Oh my goodness, Bitcoin has pumped heavily here from the bottom. It turned right around like you thought it was gonna die, and boom. Oh wow, is it gonna break out? Right, we're still stuck in the zone here. We're gonna talk about that. We're not out of the woods yet. Still 60% chance that we're gonna be going down. And we're going to talk about how to trade that and more in today's episode. So make sure you stick around, right? And we're doing this show live. So if you're not watching this live, right, you should join us at davincij15.com, right? You'll have access to not only to my Telegram group and what I'm buying for the altcoin seasons, but also you're gonna check out the trades that Lee, right, has been doing, and he did an awesome job. He got people to short this, and he got people to, go long, and so everybody's really happy in my group. So make sure you join by subscribing. Also, you know what I'm going to do next week Friday a meetup for anybody that's in Dubai, because right now I'm in Dubai. I'm actually in Dubai. 5 by 5 and so if you want to join me, please do. I'm going to be announcing that in the group where to meet up and what we're going to do, and we're just going to chat. I want to know how you guys got into Bitcoin, how you made some money with Bitcoin, and what you are planning to do. So I want to learn all about my fans and so forth. So it won't be about me, it'll be all about you. So join us. If you happen to be in Dubai next week Friday, you'll be able to meet up with me. Okay, let's get to it. But before we do, right, remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before putting any money in the market, because this is just trading entertainment, right? We're having fun. Right, we're trying to figure out what's going to happen next, and trading's not for everybody, right? Just have some fun watching this show. All right, let's head over to the charts, right? And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button now, right? If you haven't done so, make sure you hit that like button, because I would like to see lots and lots of likes in this video. Okay. We can see that the Bollinger Bands have squeezed up, right? I was thinking, wow, it's not normal. When this thing broke down and it started breaking immediately to start to expand the band, that's not generally what happens. Usually the bands come in a little bit tighter before we get a big move in one direction. But here it is, right? We went down and we're expanding the bands, and then all of a sudden, boom. Now we're still tightening them. So no decision yet has been made. We're still in a negative situation though, because if you take a look at what we have here, right? What we have is a descending triangle, right? Trade. Now, have we broken out from that? Let's see here. Maybe that's not the greatest pattern here. Greatest points that we want to take. Yeah, there we go. So there we go. Right about here, maybe. Right, we got a little bit of a pattern where, and let me just hold the control key, and I'm going to move this around where I want it. There we go. So you can see we are at the top of this triangle right here. Right, and you could extend it out, and so you could extend this, right? You could either put this here, or you could extend this out all the way out to even this thing right here. So you can see we clearly have not broken this pattern, but this is a good sign, because what you see is that, hey, you know what, we're breaking down, it was game over, and then nope. Failed move equals a fast move in the opposite direction. We failed to break down, so we went in a fast move in the opposite direction. The only thing that I'm a little concerned about was we didn't do it with massive volume. And because of that, we might be just testing this top part of the zone here and be coming all the way back to test the $33,000 level once again. That's the most likely scenario, and we're still 60% chance that we continue going further down, and 40% that we continue up. Is this the breakout? Probably not. we're gonna have to wait a few more days to find out whether that's the case. Heading over to Ethereum, right? We can see that it's still trapped in its range, right? You can see all the range is pretty clear. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I'm not even gonna bother removing any of these long-term lines here. It clearly indicates what the situation is here. We break higher. We break above the $3,000 level approximately, or just a little bit above that, below that, which is 2,900. We're going higher. We break below, right, on the 2,200, maybe the 2,100. It's lights out. We're heading down to the $1,500 level. But that's all what happens. That's all dependent on what's going to which way it's going to break. But either way that it breaks, we're not in a permanent bear market. The game's not over. We're still playing. We're still here. We're gonna still win. We still have more upside for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Make sure you hold, right, until the fat lady sings. And the fat lady, I don't hear no fat lady. So yeah, we are ready to rock and roll. Let's head over to the dominance chart, right, and take a look at what's going on with dominance. The dominance is like, oh, why do you have to go and do that for, man? And I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to the little lady strategy, but I'm pretty sure that I've gotten some buy orders happening here. Let's see if I did. Sorry to interrupt in the middle of the stream, but head over to blockfi.com/DaVinciJ15 and you could earn $250. Also 8.6% on your crypto. Of course, know your risks, and you'll be able to trade crypto over there. Also get access to a credit card, allow you to spend your crypto. Links are in the description below. But basically, I was not buying anything at the actual market price. I want to, like, you know, have some stink bids. Like right here, I'm having a stink bid way down here, and I'm not trusting that the market's going to turn around. Yes, I did purchase a few. You can see that my total amount went down a little bit. I did get a few coins, so looking forward to getting more shopping, doing some more shopping. And so I'm going to have more shopping to do, right, today. I might do it actually. You know what? I might as well do it in today's episode. I'm going to have to check my calendar, but I'm going to see if I could do it in today's video, live video that I'm doing for DaVinci J15 subscribers. They're going to be around to watch it, but you're not. You're just going to be watching this video. And if you are, make sure you hit the like, right? And then head over to DaVinciJ15.com so you can join us and see what I'm buying with the altcoins and why I'm buying them. Also, if you want to trade this, right, remember you could trade it at bybit.davincij15.com or by typing in, it's really simple, nice and easy, mx.davincij15.com. I really appreciate that. Remember, these leverage exchanges are not places where you want to buy Bitcoin. Maybe FMX you can. Yes, FMX does have spot availability, but trading is not for everybody. It can be dangerous. You can lose all your money if you don't use proper money management, meaning that you'd never bet more than 5% of whatever you're trading in your trading account, because that's the maximum you should lose ever. And then if you do that, guess what? Guess how many times you could trade if you do that? Not 20 times, but an unlimited amount of times, because you'll always use 5% of whatever you've got left. Alrighty. With that said, right? Thank you all for watching. We're going to be doing the news rant shortly here on the live screen, and then yeah, I hope you see you guys in that next video. So remember, Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.